Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and do question 31. So the question revolves around, and I'm just going to phrase it this way as opposed to being a question from an administrative law judge. Can I get disability benefits if my doctor told me that I was disabled? So some of you guys feel that it is necessary to tell the administrative law judge in the hearing that the administrative law judge, you'll tell them, should find you disabled because your doctor said that you were disabled. And then all of a sudden what happens is the judge gets pissy because the judge is the one who decides if you're disabled, not a doctor. But my doctor said, your doctor does not mean bleepity bleep when it comes to you being found disabled. They are just one brick of many objective evidence forms that sometimes have subjective evidence in them to add to the pile as to whether or not potentially you are in front of the judge impaired severely. Got it? Cool. So what happens with that is that the administrative law judge will then turn around and say, well, how long have you been going to this doctor? Oh, 7 years. So how well do you know this doctor? Oh, very well. Family, friends. Boom. They got you. Boom. You just took an objective person and turned them into a subjective, could be colored by the bias of their testimony situation. So I'm just going to let you know, be careful with that. Don't offer up that your doctor says you should be found disabled and therefore you don't know why you even have to go to this hearing. Don't do it. You're going to bite your hand off and then have to feed it to yourself, all right? All right, my name is Attorney Walter Hnot. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on each question, but the bottom line is if you have an update or if you like an update or you have a question, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, on the 9th at 8 p.m. During April 2020, this upcoming Thursday, the bottom line is that you can go ahead and give me a call at the 407-279-1754 phone number. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and run questions with you. Now, it's first come, first serve. When you answer the phone, use a fake name. Please do not use, again, do not use your real name, okay? As I'm looking at eBay stuff. All right, we got that done. I'll catch you a little bit later. I hope all is well. Attorney Walter Hnot, thank you so much. We're going on to question 32 out of 50. Thank you. Bye-bye.